Welcome back to my YouTube channel Ride and Review. Today we will talk about the 2025 BYD Seagull. The 2025 BYD Seagull is an affordable electric hatchback designed for urban mobility. With its compact design, modern technology, and impressive range, it has quickly become a popular choice among budget-conscious EV buyers. As part of BYD's Ocean series, the Seagull is positioned below the Dolphin and Seal models, offering an entry-level option without compromising on essential features. The exterior of the BYD Seagull follows a sleek and modern design, incorporating sharp lines, an aggressive front fascia, and LED lighting. The car's compact dimensions make it ideal for city driving, allowing for easy maneuverability in tight spaces. The aerodynamic profile not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also contributes to better efficiency. It features a sporty rear spoiler, stylish alloy wheels, and a floating roof design that gives it a more dynamic appearance. The overall look of the Seagull aligns with BYD's Ocean aesthetics design language, making it a standout in the affordable EV segment. Inside, the 2025 Seagull offers a surprisingly high-tech and comfortable cabin for its price range. The interior is designed with a minimalist approach, featuring a large rotating touchscreen infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, and a multifunctional steering wheel. The seats are designed for comfort, providing adequate support for both short and long drives. The use of sustainable materials in the cabin aligns with the eco-friendly nature of the vehicle. Storage compartments are strategically placed to maximize space efficiency, and the rear seats can be folded to expand the cargo area, making it practical for daily commuting and small trips. Under the hood, the BYD Seagull is powered by BYD's advanced blade battery technology, known for its high safety standards and durability. The Seagull comes in 3 variants, each offering different battery capacities and range options. The 305 km Vitality Edition and 305 km Freedom Edition feature a 30.08 kWh battery, providing a range of 305 km 189 miles on a single charge. The 405 km Flying Edition is equipped with a larger 38.88 kWh battery, extending the range to 405 km 252 miles. These range figures make the Seagull a practical option for urban commuters, offering enough mileage for daily use without frequent charging stops. In terms of performance, the Seagull is equipped with a 55 kW 74 HP electric motor, delivering 135 Nm of torque. While it's not built for high-speed performance, it offers a smooth and responsive driving experience, ideal for city environments. The lightweight design and well-tuned suspension contribute to a comfortable ride, while regenerative braking helps improve efficiency. The car supports fast charging, allowing the battery to be recharged from 30% to 80% in just 30 minutes, making it convenient for users on the go. Safety is a key aspect of the Seagull, with BYD integrating a range of advanced features. The vehicle comes with ABS, EBD, traction control, electronic stability control, and multiple airbags to ensure passenger safety. Higher trims also include lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and rear parking sensors, enhancing the overall safety profile of the car. The structure of the Seagull is reinforced with high-strength steel, providing added protection in the event of a collision. One of the biggest selling points of the BYD Seagull is its affordability. The pricing starts at $69,800 and $9,700 for the base model, $75,800 and $10,500 for the mid-range version, and $85,800 and $12,000 for the long-range variant. This makes it one of the most cost-effective electric vehicles available in 2025, offering excellent value for money. With government incentives and subsidies available in some regions, the effective price could be even lower, making EV ownership more accessible to a wider audience. The 2025 BYD Seagull is a game-changer in the budget EV market. It combines affordability, practicality, and modern technology in a compact package. With impressive range options, fast charging capability, and a feature-packed cabin, it is an ideal choice for urban commuters looking for an eco-friendly alternative to traditional gas-powered vehicles. As BYD continues to expand its presence in global markets, the Seagull is expected to play a crucial role in making electric mobility mainstream.